Hey there, home cooks! So, you fancy some pancakes but you've got no eggs? No worries. Today, I'm here to show you how to whip up perfect, fluffy pancakes without a single egg. Ready? Let's get started. First things first, why pancakes? Well, they're the ultimate breakfast comfort food. Fluffy, versatile, and oh so delicious. But sometimes eggs are a no-go, whether it's allergies, dietary restrictions, or just because you ran out. Fear not, I've got your back. Here's the secret to egg-free pancakes. A simple mix of everyday ingredients. In a mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix it up. Now, for the wet ingredients. Add 1 cup of milk, dairy or plant-based, your choice, 2 tablespoons of oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix until smooth, but don't overdo it. We want those pancakes fluffy, not tough. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and lightly grease it. Pour a 1/4 cup of batter onto the pan for each pancake. Wait until you see bubbles form on the surface, then flip and cook until golden brown. Easy peasy, right? Now let's talk toppings. You can go classic with maple syrup and butter, or get creative with fresh berries, nut butter, or even chocolate chips. The sky's the limit, and there you have it. Perfect, egg-free pancakes that'll make your mornings magical. Don't let a missing ingredient stop you from enjoying a delicious breakfast. If you loved this recipe, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy, tasty dishes. Happy cooking, everyone. Thanks for watching and see you next time.